What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create panoramic images in Midjourney. So first you'll need to generate your image normally with the /imagine command. So hit /imagine, then enter your text prompt and then generate your image. And if you want to upscale the image, you need to press the U button to enter the upscale settings, and you'll have 4 arrows under like the zoom out. So zooming out means that you can fill in more of the image, so you can pan in the 4 directions. However, if you want to make it a panoramic image, so like a landscape, you need to like expand it in the left and right directions, so it'll fill in like the left and the right of the image, making or upscaling it like horizontally to make it like a panoramic image. So that's how you create a panorama or panoramic image from an image that you generated on Midjourney.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.